Hello, Ffion from Furnace. Today I am training to help in the chemist. During the pandemic, our local pharmacies have stayed open and worked extremely hard to make sure we get our medication. You can also talk to the pharmacist for advice. Here in Boots in Llanelli, you can buy all sorts, especially makeup, which I love very much. Today is a Thankful Thursday, and I want you all to show your gratitude for our pharmacies and everyone who works there. They have been working frontline throughout the pandemic. I want all of you to add them to your list of people. You'll say thank you to when you make a big noise tonight, like this. Woo, 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 woo! Is this for you, love? Oh, how much is the cream of pies, love? It's 2.30, yes. Okay, no matter do that. And remember, could you no drink?